Hi guys, I hope that you're having a fabulous day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some very colorful Louis Vuitton unboxings for you, so I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started, shall we? So there's definitely a theme to this video, and the background is going to give you a teeny tiny bit of a hint. Okay, so I did pick up two small leather goods and a handbag. I think I'm going to start off with the small leather goods first, but trust me, you guys are going to want to stick around for the handbag because I'm going to be sharing where I picked it up from and where you guys can get some fabulous, authentic luxury goods at some killer, absolutely killer prices. Okay, so let's begin with the SLGs, shall we? Now, both of these SLGs I did pick up from private sellers. So the first item came in the original box, the OG, not the OG, but the old school chocolate brown Louis Vuitton box. I know that we've discussed this before, but there is just something about this chocolate brown that makes my heart sing a little bit louder. What about you guys? But anyways, so there it is. It says Louis Vuitton in the front. It opens up like so. Inside, here is the dust bag that says Louis Vuitton. Now, I think some of you guys might think I'm nuts for picking this up, but I think that the majority of you will totally understand, especially because I have an item that is very almost identical to it that I use every single day. But anyway, so there it is in the dust bag that says Louis Vuitton. All right, and the first of my newest small leather goods is the Louis Vuitton multicolor photo album in white. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Like I said, you guys know that I use the monogram one every single day. It does not matter the handbag that I am rocking. I am carrying that photo album because it carries pictures, or it has pictures of a picture of Edward Philip and a picture of Theodore Alexander, my babies. And there is something about carrying a physical picture with me that just gives me the warm and fuzzies that I can't even explain. I mean, I have thousands of pictures of them on my phone, but there's just something totally different about physical pictures. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. But anyways, plus I think that this is so stinking cute. It's adorable and it's in fantastic condition. I did pay a little bit more than I would like, but I love that it has the hot pink Louis Vuitton logo in the front. I've seen some of these that have the green, the blue, the purple, but for me, it was all about that hot pink for sure. So there is the back side. Like I said, it's in amazing condition. The leather definitely has a little bit of that honey golden patina. Not too much, but you guys can definitely see it on camera. It does have a snap button closure with the engraving that says Louis Vuitton. It opens up like so, and that's what you got inside. So inside it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, and just one little frame here and another little frame here. So again, I'm going to do the same thing, a picture of Edward, a picture of Theodore, and there we go. That's all she wrote. I just think it's adorable, and the little variety, a little bit more color, and the fact that I can, you know, put pictures of my kiddos in there makes me super happy. So love this little guy. Love it. Multicolor white. I mean, I love the multicolor noir. Stunning, absolutely stunning, but there's something about the white. I don't know what it is. The white just makes me go crazy. How about you guys? If you guys are a fan of the multicolor, do you prefer the black or do you prefer the white? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, the next item did not come with a box, but it did come with a dust bag. Now the second small leather good is the Louis Vuitton multicolor white mirror and case. This is adorable as well. Check it out. I think that this is super cute. I love that you can use this case not only to carry the mirror, but you can also use it as a little credit card case or what have you. You know me, it's all about that versatility when it comes to small leather goods, but I love the colors on here. I know that it's getting a little bit darker, so I think I might include a close-up shot while I'm talking about it so you guys can see it a little bit better. But there is no yellowing on here, which was super important to me because I know that with multicolor, it can have a tendency to yellow, which I think is such a bummer, but there is no yellowing whatsoever. It's also in fantastic condition. Love the colors, but let me show you guys the mirror very quickly. So you do have this little bow at the top, and the mirror says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then there's the back side. But I love that I can use this, you know, with other handbags or other ways. And then if I wanted to just, use them together, if I want to use this, like I said before, for my credit cards, or if I want to put cash in here, what have you, I have that option. So I have a little bit more play with it. It's a little bit more versatile. So I think it's great. I think it's great. And again, you can see that the leather isn't too bad. It does have a little bit more patina, but overall, the mirror isn't scratched up. I've seen these sometimes the mirrors don't look the best, so I definitely scored that it was in such great condition. But once again, there it is. And this guy says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it or not, but there we go. I love it, I love it. So once again, let me put these two small leather goods together very quickly. Give me just a second. All right, there we go. Super stinking cute. Absolutely adorable. And I forgot to mention, you can find that mirror in the multicolor black as well. So if that's something that interests you, definitely check that out. Okay, so are we ready for the handbag? Okay, so I do want to give you guys a little bit of information before I full on reveal it, but here it is for now, just to give you a little bit of a sneak peek. It did not come with the dust bag. The dust bag, I added it myself because it does need a little bit more protection when I go to store it, but the handbag I got from a company called Zenplus. You know that I have been on this vintage handbag quest for quite some time, about a year and a half, 2 years almost, and you guys know that if you're on the pre-loved market, it's really hard to find some of these beauties at fabulous prices, especially if they're in amazing condition. Sometimes they're an arm and a leg or what have you, or the condition isn't there for the price point that they're charging or the price that they're charging. So it can be a little bit tricky, it can be a little bit frustrating, right? And I have heard so many fabulous and so many amazing things about Japanese sellers with authentic luxury goods, but I've always been a little bit nervous about the process, and I had a million questions. Like, I didn't even know where to begin. It just made me a little bit apprehensive, and I didn't know, should I move in that direction or not? Because again, I've heard so many wonderful things. Have you guys heard the same thing? Have you felt the same way? Let me know in the comment section down below. Well, get ready, my friends, because I have teamed up with a company called Zenplus to put those nerves to rest and be able to share this fabulous company with you guys. Zenplus is an online marketplace that connects people worldwide with Japanese sellers. They have a variety of different items. They have items such as clothing to home decor, you name it, they have it on there. They have over 3,700 sellers, and out of those 3,700 plus sellers, 49 of them, 49 and counting, ladies and gentlemen, specialize in selling authentic luxury goods. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. And when I tell you the sheer volume of luxury goods on their website is absolutely insane. It is a feast for the eyes. I have been on there over the last week, and I can easily, all right, I'm not even kidding you, I can easily spend hours on that site looking at all of the fabulous luxury goods that they sell. They sell newer bags, they sell vintage bags, small leather goods, hard to find items, and the prices, my goodness, are absolutely phenomenal. Like, I couldn't believe it. I'm like, where has this website been all of my life type of thing. One of the things that I absolutely love about them, unlike other marketplaces where the seller sends the item directly to you, instead, Zenplus has the seller send it to them. Zenplus inspects it, makes sure it is what it is, and then they ship it out to you. So for me, it's kind of like a little bit more peace of mind on the item that you're getting. And some of the shipping can take a little bit of time. It depends on the method that you go for. So that's just something to look out for. That's something that I wanted to throw out there. But overall, in my opinion, if I know that someone else is inspecting it, that again gives me a little bit more peace of mind, especially when it comes to luxury goods. And I did get the handbag authenticated. You guys know it does not matter where I get my luxury goods from. I'm going to get them authenticated to, again, give me a little bit more peace of mind. And I mean, I didn't expect anything different because I've heard so many wonderful things about this company. And they were so incredibly gracious that they gave me a coupon code to share with my peeps, which I will put up here on the screen, which gives you 1,500 Japanese yen off of your purchase. Some restrictions do apply, and all of the details will be in the description box below, but I thought that was pretty great. And because the Japanese yen does fluctuate quite a bit, sometimes you'll get better savings on a different day. So if you look at a bag on, let's say, Monday and it's X amount of money, you might see it on Wednesday for a little bit less. And you guys know that when it comes to luxury goods, any type of savings on any type of luxury goods, I am here for it all day long. Sign me up type of thing, you know what I mean? All right, so enough of this. Let's get to the bag, shall we? So as I said, it did not come with the dust bag. I added it because I need to protect it a little bit more, and it's gonna make sense when I show you guys the bag that I got from Zenplus. All right, so the newest Louis Vuitton handbag to my collection is the Louis Vuitton Judy MM in the multicolor white. Oh man, I am obsessed with Judy. Absolutely obsessed. I love all of the leather that it has going on. I love that it has so much hardware going on. And I love that it also comes with a removable, oh yes, a removable chain that is so insanely chunky, but best of all, you guys, the condition that this handbag is in is absolutely fabulous, because look at the leather. Look at the leather. There is barely any type of patina on here. It doesn't look bright white, but this is what, 15 years old if I'm not mistaken. For it being 15 years old, especially a multicolor piece, for it to age this well, I think is absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. But look at the condition of this beautiful bag. Oh, my camera keeps getting dark. I'm gonna have to put it over here. I'll have to do some close-up shots again so you guys can see the details of this beautiful bag. I love that it has this handle, metal over the handle, so that way you can carry it like so. And it does say Louis Vuitton Paris on there on both sides. But I love the studs. I love that it has so much hardware going on, because that's one of the things that I loved about the multicolor collection. When it was first released, I thought it was fantastic. It's so gaudy, it's so in your face, it's so me. It is so me to a T. But I also like that I have the hot pink LV, and then you have the black here. And then over here is the same thing. There is no yellowing on this canvas whatsoever. So let me give you guys a really quick tour of it. So there's a front side or the back side, it's both the same. So there we go. I'm gonna have to hold it over here. Okay, there's the side view, back or front, I don't know. There we go, on the bottom. And I absolutely love that I can hold it like that. So on the inside, you do have the red Alcantara lining, and it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. You have one open compartment, one little slip pocket here, and then you have a snap button compartment here as well. And it does have a little bit of a magnetic closure. Not magnetic, but a little, yeah, magnetic. And this beauty did come with, well, it came with this, which is one of the sellers on that site. They have by far some of the most amazing handbags. This seller is fantastic. They have Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. Every single brand that you can think of is on that site. But this seller in particular has some of the best items in some of the most fabulous condition that I have ever seen, especially when it comes to vintage items. But it did come with the little care booklet and the textile card. All right, so once again, it might not be the most practical bag, but that's okay. I will forgive that because I think it looks awesome. And look at this. So like I said, it does have this removable strap that has a little bit of leather at the top, right? And then this chunky chain, but do you guys see this? Do you see this? You still have the stickers intact over this little clasp. Like that's nuts. So it's a 15-year-old bag that has aged amazingly well, and I think that it was probably just stored, because for it to still have the stickers intact, I think that's crazy. And then you can see that it has the L and the V. Hang on. Right there. Right there. But
I love this because I'm going to be using this with some of my other bags. Like I can use it with my Petite Noe. I can use this with, I don't know, but you're gonna be seeing this, you're gonna be seeing this chain strap or whatever it is on some of my other bags. But let me add it to Judy. Let me add it to beautiful Judy. So there is a PM Judy as well, but for me, it was definitely all about that MM. Look at that. Oh, she is gaudy. She is obnoxious. She is just absolutely fabulous. I love the sound. And if I wanted to use it like so, I can. I don't think I'm going to use it that way though. I think I'm going to use the strap just as a little decorative, you know, addition, because I really see myself carrying it like so. Look at that. It's kind of elegant in a way, to me at least. I feel like it just kind of gives it a little bit more oomph. It gives it a little bit more, she's a classy broad. I don't know, but I think this is a beautiful bag. The studs, I think it's awesome. I think it is absolutely amazing. And once again, like I said, the condition that it is in, it just blew my mind because I saw it on the website, and they also have like a detail of the condition that it's in or what the item comes with. And I saw it on there. I'm like, oh my gosh, really? Is it really? No way, no way. So when I opened up the box, I was like, holy smokes. Like I couldn't even believe the condition that it was in. It was just like, I didn't even want to touch it. I wanted to put on like white gloves in order to like hold this bag first, because I was like, I don't even want to touch the bag because it looks so fantastic. But unlike my Speedy 30 Multicolor, which was my Holy Grail bag, which I did sell, I do not regret it, but I never used it. Unlike that bag, this bad boy will definitely be in my rotation for sure. And the colors on there just make me so insanely happy. And even though I do like how light the leather is, I cannot wait till this gets that honey golden color because it's gonna look even more fabulous. So I am here for it. I don't know, man, but I think Judy is absolutely fabulous. What do you guys think? But anyways, that does it for this video. A huge thank you to Zenplus for partnering with me. And like I said before, I do have a coupon code that I will once again put up here. All of the details and everything will be in the description box below, as well as a direct link to their website. So definitely check them out. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not. The choice is yours. Have a great day.